it's Dawn with Open Range Academy, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about a slip lead. So slip leads are something that's very useful in training. A lot of people don't like them because a lot of people use the wrong ones. You need a slip lead that is very, very giving. And look at the ring on this one. Excuse me, sweetheart. Look at how thick that ring is, and look at how much space there is for it to adjust. So I love these rope ones. These are really, really great. This one is, if you guys can read that, it's probably backwards. Shifting Gears Pet Products. So these guys are super, super loose, and that allows me to teach leash pressure. I would be careful on a slip lead. If you're planning on never buying another lead, this isn't the one for you. This is a training tool. So with this training tool, you need to have the ability to give your dog leash pressure. If they're going the opposite way, hey, let's go this way, and it needs to be able to go back out. The correction cannot be prolonged. You cannot be just pulling on the dog with this. There has to be communication, and that's what this is for. That's what this is for, teaching leash pressure. So I would be the one thing that I really do want to state about using a slip lead is that if you have to fight to get this on the dog and then pull it tight just to get it out the door, you're not ready for this, okay? If your dog gets on a slip lead and goes nuts at the end of it, I'm talking rodeo, pulling, they don't want to be there, oh my gosh, this is so stressful, take it off. This is not what it's used for, okay? You're gonna choke out the dog because they're keeping constant pressure on the lead. We use a slip lead at Open Range because we know what we're doing with it, and we want to teach you how to do that too. So when your dog, hey, Miko, come here, buddy. Okay, so when your dog is needing to use this one, come here. Come on, come and sit. Good. Okay, you should be able to get it on real gently like that. And then you're just simply, and you can do this in your house, which I would suggest first. Come on, Miko. Talking them through it, okay? Nope, this way. So he felt the pressure and you saw him look up at me, okay? So start walking around your house. Come here, buddy. Start walking around your house with it on so that they can start to understand the pressure release, pressure release, pressure release, because that's how they learn that we're communicating with them through the leash. So again, this is just a review of a slip lead. But I really it's important that you guys get a good one. So one more time, look at that ring where the slip lead sits. Look how much space is in there. So it can tighten, but it can release just as fast, okay? So that way you're communicating effectively. And again, the end goal is flat lead with regular leash so that your dog's well trained and it can walk in the park just fine.